In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a received customer payment in Zoho Books. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, understanding how to accurately record payments is essential for maintaining your financial records. So let's dive right into this straightforward process. First, you'll want to navigate to the Sales section on your Zoho Books dashboard. Look to the left sidebar and you'll see the option labeled Payments Received. Go ahead and click on that. This section is specifically designed to help you track and record all incoming payments from your customers, making it crucial for understanding your cash flow and outstanding balances. Once you're in the Payments Received section, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You should see a button that says Plus New. Clicking this will enable you to create a new payment entry, marking the beginning of recording your customer payment in the system. This step is crucial for keeping your records up to date. Next, we're going to select the customer who has made the payment. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Customer Name. Click on this and choose the appropriate customer from the list provided. If your customer list is extensive, you can use the search function to quickly find the right name. Selecting the right customer ensures that your records reflect the accurate source of payment, helping with reconciliation and reporting. Now it's time to enter the total amount that you've received. There will be a field labeled Amount, where you can input the exact amount your customer has paid. It's important to double-check this figure for accuracy, as even small discrepancies can impact your financial statements. Following that, you need to fill in the payment date. This date should reflect when you receive the payment from your customer, not necessarily the day you're recording it. Accurate dating is key to ensuring that your accounts reflect the correct periods and can be crucial for cash flow analysis. Next, you'll need to choose the account that the payment will be deposited to. Look for the Deposit To drop-down menu, where you can select the bank account where you intend to deposit this payment. It's important to ensure that the selected account matches your real-life banking setup to avoid any confusion later on. After you have filled in all the required fields and double-checked everything for accuracy, you can finalize the process by clicking the Save button. This action will officially record the payment in your system, updating your accounts and reflecting this transaction in your financial reports. And there you have it. The process to record a customer payment in Zoho Books is complete. Remember, maintaining accurate records is crucial to your business's financial health, so it's important to follow these steps carefully. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you.